global inflation may prove far more persistent than markets currently expect, and a revival in the manufacturing cycle could be a major reason why. While investors have focused on short-term energy price spikes tied to geopolitical tensions, a broader shift may already be underway beneath the surface. Around the world, central banks are facing a very difficult balancing act. Inflation remains elevated, yet shortages of refined oil products could weigh on growth in nations such as the UK, New Zealand, and Australia. This combination raises the risk of stagflation and can complicate policy decisions. At the same time, the global manufacturing cycle appears to be turning higher after several years of weakness. In China, industrial companies are already beginning to raise prices as demand improves and raw material costs climb. Producer prices have already started moving higher again, and we're already starting to see signals that inflationary pressures may be spreading beyond energy markets alone. Markets may be underestimating these less obvious forces, so even if oil supply disruptions ease, structural inflation tied to manufacturing activity and industrial pricing may remain. For investors, long inflation break-even exposures could become hedges to consider for portfolios with credit exposure, and there may be opportunities and strategies positioned for changing interest rate expectations and evolving global growth dynamics.
T. Rowe Price